Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Do you have very high memory and CPU usage on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer? Whenever you try to play games, the disk 100% usage, CPU usage and RAM usage is also using high. If this is the case for you guys, I show you guys how to fix high memory usage and CPU usage. So we are not going to install any softwares guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. For that you just want to right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type services.msc, click on ok. Opens up services. In services we need to locate superfetch or sys main. Both services are same guys, so locate superfetch. If you can't find it, you look for sys main guys. I'm gonna locate it superfetch. I can't find it, so I'm gonna search for SYS main guys. SY. Double click on the SYS main and you just want to click on stop guys. And after stopping it, click on disabled and apply and OK. So this is the service which makes the random application which we use frequently. If makes it available for us, and this is why the usage of CPU RAM disk gets very high. So if you disabled the service, it won't it make any changes, you won't it have any issues guys. Now we can see my task manager CPU RAM usage even I recording my video. As you can see guys, let's move on to the second step. For that, close out of here, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type sysdm dot cpl. Click on OK. Opens up system properties guys. In here you just want to select the advanced tab. Under the performance you just need to select the settings and you just need to select the adjust the best performance guys in here and select apply and OK. After making changes, click on OK as well. Now let's move on to the next step guys. For that, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. And in task manager on left side you just need to select the startups tab. Please make sure you do not disable graphics, audio, Wi-Fi, security sort of things. Just look which all application you have disabled at the startup like Steam or Epic Games Launcher, so you can use it later whenever you want it to open it. However, it will not turn on automatically guys. When you turn on the computer, this will drastically lower the usage of RAM, disk, CPU usage guys. For that, do that same thing. Right click on the Epic Game Launcher and select disable it. Right game, disable it. Everything is high, you just need to disable it. The unwanted thing like applications which have downloaded, you just need to disable it. If you have Discord, disable it. And after doing it, close out of here. Let's move on to the second step guys. Second step is to update Windows Update. Right click on the start icon, select settings. On left side, select Windows Update. You just need to click on check for updates. If any updates available in here, you just need to update it guys. New updates are even better guys in performance. That's why you just need to download and install it guys. It's downloading in the background. Let's move on to the next step guys. For that, go to search menu and type choose power plan. Click on it. In here you just want to select high performance or ultimate performance guys. I already choose the ultimate performance. If you can't able to find high performance, you just need to select this show additional plans and select high performance guys. If you do not see high performance or ultimate performance, if will recommend to select the create a power plan, and you just need to select the high performance and click on next and create it guys. And let's move on to the next step. For that, close out of here, we are going to clear the cache from the computer guys. For that, right click on it, the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type clean mgr. Click on OK guys. Now in here you just need to select the C drive guys. Click on OK. and select clean up system files in here and select C drive. In here you just need to check for all of these guys. In my case 17 MBs are there guys, backup files 17 MBs. If in your case there will be a GP in here guys, Windows Update backup file will be there. I think I will do it monthly once guys, that's why here or lower MPs are here. What you have to do is click on OK to clear up guys, click on delete files. After finished, you just want to right click on the start icon, select run. In run window, you just need to type temp, click on OK. Select continue. In here, you just need to select all files guys. Control plus A, select all files and select right click on it and select delete guys. Do this for all current items. Click on skip guys. These are all cache files only guys, don't be afraid of deleting it. After finishing it, close out of here. Now the same thing, you just need to do it, right click on the start icon, select run. Another one time you just need to type percentage temp percentage, click on OK guys. This is another folder, temp folder guys. The same way you just want to delete it, click on anything here and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A, right click on it and select delete guys. Select do this all current items, select skip. After doing this process, after finishing this, close out of here. You just need to restart your computer guys. Make sure you restart your computer. It is very important process guys. After restarting, you can able to see the performance has been boosted. The last step to run the scanner guys. For that, you just need to click on this arrow icon over here. Select the shield, Windows Security Shield, click on it. Select virus threat protection. Select scan option over here. Select full scan. I recommend do this even month. It will remove the virus malwares as well guys. You just need to click on full scan and select, scroll down and select scan now. So this will take some time to finish guys. You can also minimize it guys. If you do your work, let it scan and you can keep doing your work. Once it's done, restart it guys and see the difference in your computer. Let me know in the comment section the performance and the usage has been increased or not. You just need to check it. Right click on the taskbar and select task manager and go to performance tab and check it guys. See the memory and disk usage. Let me know in the comment how it was earlier. If this video helped you guys, give me a like and subscribe. Please don't forget to comment it guys. In my background Windows security scanner is running, that's why the CPU is high. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.